Hey guys, welcome to Easyfix. In this tutorial, I'll guide you through how you can get clients on Fiverr. Finding clients on Fiverr can sometimes be challenging, especially when you are starting. So here are a few tips to help you to attract the clients and increase your chance of getting orders on Fiverr. The first thing you can do is optimize your gig. Make sure your gig title, description, and tags accurately represent the services you offer. Use keywords that the potential clients are likely to search for. Highlight your skills, experiences, and any unique selling point that set you apart from other sellers. Remember that your Fiverr profile is your opportunity to showcase your expertise, so include a professional photo, write a compelling bio, and emphasize your skills and experience related to your service. Make sure your profile is complete and well presented. Also, consider offering competitive pricing when you are starting to attract clients. While you may not earn as much initially, but it can help you to build a reputation and secure positive reviews, which are crucial for attracting more clients in the long run. And don't rely solely on Fiverr's search algorithm to bring clients to your gig. Take an active role in promoting it. Share your gig on social media platforms, professional networks. Also consider optimizing your gig's search visibility by utilizing relevant keywords, providing detailed description, and updating your gig regularly. And last but not least, enhance your communication skills. Promptly respond to the client inquiries, demonstrate professionalism in your communication, and clarify any doubts or questions they may have. Clear and effective communication build trust and increase the likelihood of securing orders. Remember, building a successful freelance career takes time and persistence, so continuously improve your skills, adapt to market demands, and stay proactive in promoting your services. And that's all for today's video. Thanks for watching.